Hello, Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we will show you step-by-step tutorial for how to configure Hikvision DVR on Android mobile. So stay till the end and watch the full video. Surveillance number nowadays are part of our security. So if anyone has bought CCTV camera from the brand Hikvision, well-known famous brand Hikvision, you should be able to watch the video surveillance on your mobile. So how to do that? Some of you may not be able to configure it properly. So we've got a tutorial for you from start to end. So let's go to the first step. So if you have brought a Hikvision DVR with the cameras and you have installed successfully, then you should connect your router to the DVR port to access the internet to the DVR. Okay. So for viewing in the Android device, you have to go to Play Store and search the app Hik-Connect. One thing let me clear to you is that there is two apps in the market. One is IVMS. If you search by Hikvision, you can see that it's IVMS 4500. This is also good, but I suggest you use the app Hik-Connect. This is the upgraded version for Hikvision. So let's go and install it. Alright. This software compared to IVMS 4500 is good. I have used it for many times. I've used both the software for my own surveillance purposes. So I found this app to be good. You can use it too. But if you want, you can try out the IVMS 4500 also. But my suggestion, you can go to Hik-Connect and view it online. Okay, the app is installing. You should be able to log in by your email address. Okay. First of all, we register through our email address and then log in through the email address and then add the device. Okay, so the app is installed and I'm going to open it. Okay. Here it selects the country or region. It means select your country so that the cloud-based can be your country-based. So you can view the video of your cameras much faster if it is your own country. The cloud server comes from your own country. Okay, so select the country or region. I'm selecting Bangladesh as my country because I live here right now. Okay, so here comes the login page. So you should be able to register by email address or by phone number, both ways. So I will show you both the ways that is convenient to you. You can use it one of them. So at first, let's register by email address. So if you click on login, there is a username password, though we have not registered yet, so we cannot log in. You can also, if you want to view it temporarily, you can go to visitor mode, but I suggest not to go to by visitor mode. It's better to have your device added to under ID or password. Okay. Okay. So exit visitor mode. Okay. So here we have a register button after the password. Click on that and it's just a terms and condition of the Hikvision. can just tap the agree. Okay, here comes the part. You can register by phone number or by email address. So I will show you first by email address. I'm going to enter my email address. Bit long email address. Sorry for the delay. Okay. So you enter the email address and get a verification code. Tap on it. And it will send you a verification code of 4 digits to your email address. Okay. It says yes, enter the verification code, send to my mail address at gmail.com. So let's check our mail address. I already have opened that email address on my browser. So let's refresh it. Yes, I got the code. So tap on it and it says 5996. Okay, so go to our app and go to the code 996. Next. You can enter a default password of your own. So for my opinion, I will select my password of my own. Finish. Okay. So it's logged into it's registered and logged into my accounts. I am already registered to my account. You can see it on my account management. My username is this one and my email address. You can always change the password from change password. So right now I'm not doing it. You can input the old password and 2 times it will come from the new password. So that's it. So after that I go to my apps. Here is the interesting pair. There is no add device. We need to add the device through 4 ways. Okay. So 4 ways you can add the device. Sorry, not 4 ways. It's 3 ways. Scan QR code, manual adding, and online devices. Okay. So I will show you fast 2, which is very primary method. And first process is that you're going to go to scan QR code. I will show you how to get that scan QR code from your DVR. And second one is manual adding. If you don't have access to your DVR nearby or your DVR is not nearby you can get the serial number from the DVR and put it here and save it. I will show you, no problem, I will show you. So at first let me add my device. If you tap on add device, it will by default go to your barcode. It will open the camera and scan for the search for the beer barcode, QR code. Okay, let's open them. Then we go to our DVR now. Show you how to get the QR code from the DVR. Okay, so this is our DVR. We'll go to menu. Put in your password, DVR password. Okay, and here from you go to configuration. Then go to network, and then go to preferences. So we have the QR code here. So all I need is just to scan the QR code. Okay, let me go to my apps again. Okay, click on add device. Okay. Just see to get this QR code. I have to take the phone nearby QR code so that it's going to scan it. Just hold on. Get the QR code. Okay. So here we have our QR code. So I'm just going to tap on add. So it's going on the process of adding my DVR. So it says adding complete. I'll click on finish. That's it. If it comes in this manner, so go and click on the three buttons, three lines here on top. And this is our DVR, the serial number and the model. So you go and check on the DVR and your our office, as you can see, our office. You can view the cameras in single view 4, 9, 12 and 16. I suggest you not go beyond 9 because if your internet connection is well good, then you can view 16 cameras at a time. If you have 16 cameras installed and I have a good internet connection, I suggest you can view it all. But if you have a slow internet connection, I suggest you don't watch it all 16 cameras by once. The video will not be at good. You cannot get it proper maximum time. Okay. So right now I will, for reference, I will delete the device. First of all, let me take the serial number. I said I'll show it to you another way. Adding, if you don't have a DVR right behind you or right nearby you, I'm going to go and delete the device. Okay, so it's deleted. So go to plus manual adding and I'll paste the serial number. Add. If it says to input the device verification code, where you can get the verification code. Okay. I'll show you how you can get the verification code. I'll turn on the camera for you. Okay. See again. In network, you can see that in network, go to general, after that platform access. You can see the verification code here, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G is our verification code. So we go and do that and put the verification code here. E, F, G. Done. So it's going in the process of adding the device. So that's it. Please add it. Go to this one and select it here. So easy now. So if you face any problem during this configuration of these apps, leave a message. I'll surely contact you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, subscribe, and if you have any comments, share below. Thank you.